MachMotion's 2000 series control has the ability to quickly add customized widgets. Let's add a calculator and a couple of buttons. Right-click and choose Configure Dashboard. We want 2 items, so set rows to 2. For the first one, we'll choose Calculator. For the second, we'll choose Function buttons. Let's assign a function to our buttons. We'll assign Flood Coolant and a Next Tool button. Right-click and choose Configure Widgets. I'll choose 2 buttons and then assign our functions to them. And that is all there's to it. Our support team is always happy to help with setting up these dashboards to your specifications if you need any assistance. Learn more at MachMotion.com.